Good morning. I am Hariprasad, lecturer in commerce, GDC, Siddipet. We are discussing about income from salary. So in part of that, we have discussed about salary. We have discussing about allowances, out of allowances, fully taxable allowances are completed, fully exempted allowances are also completed. Now we are in partially taxable allowances. In partially taxable allowances, first thing is entertainment allowance that we have discussed in previous class. Now today we are going to discuss house rent allowance, HRA, house rent allowance. House rent allowance. In short form, it is called as HRA, house rent allowance, HRA. What is the meaning of house rent allowance? Means amount paid by the employer to the employee for employee's house rent. యజమాని తన ఉద్యోగికి ఇల్లు కిరాయి కోసం, ఇల్లు రెంట్ తీసుకుంటారు, ఆ రెంట్ కట్టడం కోసం ఇచ్చేటువంటి డబ్బులు అంటే కూడా హౌస్ రెంట్ అలవెన్స్, హెచ్ఆర్ఈ అంటారు అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ పార్షియల్లీ ట్యాక్సబుల్ అలవెన్స్. పార్షియల్లీ ట్యాక్సబుల్ అలవెన్స్ మీన్స్ some part of that allowance is taxable, means you have to take, and some part of that allowance is exempted. Suppose 10,000 వచ్చింది కదా, అందులో కొంత ట్యాక్స్ పడుతుంది, కొంత ఎగ్జెంప్షన్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో హౌ మచ్ ఈస్ ట్యాక్సబుల్ అండ్ హౌ మచ్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జెంప్టెడ్, that we have to compute in house rent allowance topic. So taxable allowance, taxable HRA will be taken in the problem and exempted HRA will be skipped, then వదిలేస్తాం అనమాట. ఎట్లా తెలుసుకోవాలి హౌస్ రెంట్? సపోజ్ ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ ఉన్నాడు, he is getting 4,000 per month as house rent allowance. 4,000 per month as house rent allowance means he is getting 48,000 as HRA per annum. Out of 48,000, how much is taxable and how much is exempted? Suppose let us assume 30,000 is taxable and 18,000 is exempted. We have to take HRA 30,000 in the problem, 18,000 will less than 30,000, 18,000 or 25, 15 or 10, 30 like etla separate chestam. Taxable how much and exempted how much and etla మనం calculate చేస్తాం. So we calculate this HRA. Employees are classified into two groups, same as to entertainment allowance. In entertainment allowance, employees are classified as government employees and private employees. But here there is no differentiation between government and private employees. Here based on the rent. Based on the rent means rent is different in metro cities and rent is different in other cities. That's why employees are classified based on their living place. Means employees who are living in metro cities and employees who are living in non-metro cities. Metro cities means Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Hyderabad, Bengaluru, metro cities center. But according to our act, these four are considered, according to Income Tax Act, these four are considered as metro cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, living place, and other cities living place, other places of India living place. Based on the living place, HRA will be computed. Means for employees who are living in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, computation of HRA is a separate method, and the employees who are living in other places of India, computation of HRA will be different. So how to compute the HRA for these two separate categories of employees, right? So for house rent allowance, we know employees are classified into two groups. Just now we have discussed Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. These four cities are essential. Other places of India. అంటే ఇండియాలో ఈ 4 సిటీస్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళకి ఒక రకంగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ 4 సిటీస్ కాకుండా అదర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, సిద్దిపేట కావచ్చు, హైదరాబాద్ కావచ్చు, దుబ్బాక్ కావచ్చు, వరంగల్ కావచ్చు, కరీంనగర్, అదర్ ప్లేసెస్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఒక రకంగా ఎట్లా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం? సో ఫర్ దిస్ we have to take 3 things. First one, actual HRA received. First, actual HRA received. Second one, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Third one, second one is rent paid minus 10% of salary. Third one, 50% of salary. Out of these three, what are those three? Actual HRA received, rent paid minus 10% of salary, 50% of salary. Out of these three, lowest will be given as deduction and remaining is taxable. In case of other cities, very simple. First 2 points are same. First point same as to here. Actual HRA received. Second one same as to metro cities. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Third one changes. In metro cities we are taking 50%, but here we have to take 40% of salary. Out of these three, here also lowest. Lowest will be allowed as deduction, remaining is taxable. In case of entertainment allowance, a government employee is having deduction, or private employees no deduction. But here in case of HRA, there is no discrimination like a government employee, private employee. Here change is based on their living place, because based on their living place, rent changes. Employees who are living in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and employees who are living in other places. So for metro cities employees, actual HRA received, rent paid minus 10% of salary, 50% of salary lowest. For other cities, actual HRA received, rent paid minus 10% of salary, 40% of salary. Right. Here salary, the word salary we have taken 3-4 times. 10% of salary, 50% of salary, again 10% of salary, 40% of salary. What comes under salary? Here also a question arises. There entertainment allowance kuda question vachindi. Salary 10% of salary, 20% of salary, and when we are doing entertainment allowance. So when we are doing entertainment allowance, 10%, 20% of salary. Their salary means only defined for entertainment allowance. Salary is defined as only basic pay. But here for HRA, house rent allowance, salary is defined as salary is equal to basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. Basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. Salary is equal to basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. What is meaning? Basic pay, okay. Here also basic pay, there in retirement also basic pay. DA means dearness allowance, we know. With retirement benefits means with DA is given to the employee only for service period, that is not to be considered. If DA is given to employee in retirement benefits also, retirement అయినాక కూడా DA ఇచ్చేదంటే such DA is to be considered. అంటే ప్రాబ్లంలో ఓన్లీ DA అని చెప్పినాడు అనుకోండి, need not to take, need not to add, need not to consider, స్కిప్ చేసేయాలి. DA with retirement benefits includes in retirement benefits అని చెప్పినాడు అనుకోండి, అది తీసుకోవాలి. రెండు కలిపి వచ్చింది, ఏం తీసుకుంటాం, శాలరీగా తీసుకొని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. మీన్స్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ entertainment allowance ఇవ్వగానే ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ వెదర్ హీస్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీ, ప్రైవేట్ ఎంప్లాయీ. ఇన్ HRA ఇవ్వగానే వీ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ వేర్ హీ ఈజ్ లివింగ్. ఈస్ హీ లివింగ్ ఇన్ దీస్ 4 metro cities ఆర్ ఈస్ హీ లివింగ్ in other place of the India? If he is living in those 4 metro cities, we have to follow this method. he is living in other cities of the India, other place of India, we have to follow this method, and we have to calculate taxable HRA and exempted HRA. Taxable HRA is to be taken in the problem under the head of allowances, and the exempted amount is to be skipped, right? Okay, let us do one example. 1 minute study. Let us do one example. Example: Ravi is working in Hyderabad in government sector. His salary particulars. Basic pay 10,000. Basic pay 10,000 per month. DA 6,000 per month. HRA 4,000 per month. CCA 2,000. Like this, so many things are here. Compute taxable HRA. Right. So here question is compute HRA. HRA anagane you need not to observe whether he is government or private. Government aina, private aina, there is no any change. Only we have to observe is where he is living. Is he is living in those 4 metro cities or other part of India, Hyderabad, other part of India. Now we have to go other cities. What we have to take here? First one, actual HRA received. Actual HRA received. HRA how much? 4,000 per month. 4,000 into 12, 48,000. Second one, rent paid minus 10% of salary. We have to take rent paid. Rent paid. That will be given in the problem. Assume here rent 6,000 per month. Assume here. So rent paid 6,000 in 72,000 per annum minus 10% of salary. 10% of salary. Salary. What includes in salary? Salary is equal to basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. Basic pay only given, but only DA is given. He has not mentioned. He has not told with retirement benefits. That's why DA తీసుకోవాలి. Retirement benefits అని చెప్తేనే DA తీసుకోవాలి. Only basic pay how much? 10,000 per month. On that 10% of salary means 10%. That is 12,000. Rent paid 72,000 minus 10% of salary 12,000. That is 62,000. Third one, 40% other place kabatti 40% of salary. 40% of salary. Salary how much here? 1,20,000. On that 40%, it is equal to 48,000. Out of these 3, lowest. Anyone is lowest. Lowest is to be considered. Exemption amount here is 48,000 and taxable amount also 0 because 48,000 minus 48,000 is 0. Right? So this is the method of calculation of HRA for whom? Hyderabad. Same problem. If he is working in Delhi, for same problem, if he is working in Delhi, what we have to do? Same, only change in last point. In Delhi, how much?
14, 15.
Actual HRA received. How much actual HRA received? 4,000 per month into 12, 48,000. Second one, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid given as 6,000 per month is per annum 72,000 minus 10% of salary, that is 12,000, is equal to 68,000. Third one, 50% of salary. Salary 1,20,000, on that 50%, that is 60,000. Out of these three, lowest is 40,000. So exempted amount is 48,000. Taxable amount 48,000 minus 48,000 is equal to 0. Yeah, it means we have to take HRA 0 for this particular problem, right? So this is the method of calculation of HRA. So if I calculate HRA, this question will be, if he gives in short bits, we have to do like this. If he is Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, change is here 50%. If he is living in other cities, change appears in 40% short bit. So if it is main problem, we have to do these things in working note and we have to dump that thing into main problem. Let us do one problem with entertainment allowance and HRA both, right? Let's do one example. Time. Last one. Scene is working in Siddipet in a government office. Salary particulars. Basic pay 20,000 per month. HRA DA 10,000 per month. HRA 6,000 per month. CCA 3,000 per month. Entertainment allowance 1,000 per month. Rent paid 5,000 per month. Calculate entertainment allowance and HRA. Both he asked to calculate here. Entertainment allowance and HRA. So separate calculate. First entertainment allowance. EA. To calculate entertainment, what we have to do? We have to observe whether he is government employee or private employee. If he is government employee in government office, so list of the following. First one, actual entertainment allowance received. How much entertainment is received? 12,000. Second one, 20% of salary. Salary 2,40,000. 20,000 per month means per annum 2,40,000 on the 20%, 48,000. Third one, 5,000 per annum 5,000. Out of these three, lowest is 5,000, right? So exempted amount 5,000, taxable amount so first one 12,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 7,000. So working notes for entertainment allowance completed. 5,000 is exempted. I'm writing here 5,000 is exempted and 7,000 is taxable. Next one is HRA. Working note for HRA. To compute HRA, what I have to observe where he is living. Is he living in metro cities or other cities? He is living in Siddipet, other place. So other place means we have to go for this method. First one, actual HRA received. How much HRA received? 6,000 per month means 72,000 per annum. Second one, rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid how much? How much rent paid by him? 5,000 per month means 60,000. 10% of salary on 2,40,000, 10% means 24,000. Salary 20,000 per month means per annum 2,40,000, on that 20% means 24. 10% means 24,000. 60,000 minus 24,000 is 36,000. Third one, 40% of salary on 2,40,000, 40 percentage. Out of these three, lowest 9,600. So exempted amount 96,000. Lowest is 72,000. Exempted amount 72,000. Taxable amount 72,000 minus 72,000 is exempted 0. And this is the working note about HRA. HRA working note completed and entertainment allowance working note also completed. How to post in main problem for this? Let us do. And by this we will conclude. So we know in main problem 4 heads will be there. First head is salaries. Second head is allowances. Third head is perquisites. Fourth head is profit in lieu of salaries. Go through the problem. Basic pay comes in salaries. 20,000 per month means per lakhs 2,40,000. DA comes in allowances. 10,000 per month means 1,20,000. CCA comes in allowances. 3,000 per month means per annum 36,000. Entertainment allowance. Total we have to take. How much entertainment allowance? 12,000. For 1,000 per month is 12,000. HRA how much? 6,000 per month means 72,000. Out of that exemption also 72,000 dash. So observe here. Entertainment allowance total తీసుకోవాలి, exemption తర్వాత ఇవ్వాలి. HRA మాత్రం after deducting exemption the remaining amount is to be considered. There is no perquisites here, there is no profit in lieu of salaries here. Total 2,40,000, 360, 396, 398, 4,08,000. This is known as gross salary. Minus section 16(2), that is entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance exemption ఎంత వచ్చింది? 5,000 వచ్చింది కదా, 5,000 here deducted. అంటే ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అలవెన్స్ డిడక్షన్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ చేయాలి, హెచ్ఆర్ఏ మాత్రం ఇక్కడే మైనస్ చేయాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సెక్షన్ 16(3), professional tax is not given in the problem. So 4 lakhs 3,000 is the taxable salary for Sinu, right? Okay, thank you very much.